Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're ready to be wowed by some of the coolest gadgets available on Amazon right now, you're in the right place. We've scoured the marketplace to bring you 20 incredible products that will leave you amazed. Whether you're a tech lover, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking to make your daily life a bit easier, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye. 1. Supercharged Electric Scooter. Imagine zooming down the road at speeds up to 43.5 miles per hour. This electric scooter delivers speed and range with up to 55.9 miles on a single charge. The 11-inch self-sealing tubeless tires, adjustable suspension, and front-rear hydraulic disc brakes ensure a smooth and safe ride. Twin charging ports mean you'll be back on the road quickly, and the clear display makes it easy to monitor your stats while cruising. 2. Smart LED light strips. Transform any space with these versatile LED light strips. Whether you're adding a soft glow along corners or creating an immersive gaming experience, these customizable strips offer endless color options. You can control them with an app or your voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. Cut or extend them to fit your space up to 33 feet. A smooth, even light makes these a great addition to any home. 3. Hypnotic Kinetic Wall. Art. Elevate your decor with this mesmerizing kinetic wall art. Wind it up by hand and watch the calming ripple motion bring tranquility to any room. Its modern, mandala-inspired design rotates for up to 12 hours, creating a soothing atmosphere ideal for reflection or meditation. This art piece is as functional as it is beautiful. 4. Pocket-sized robot buddy. More than just a toy, this tiny robot is your pocket companion. It can perform stunts, help with productivity using built-in reminders, and even engage in robot battles. Its Pomodoro timer makes it ideal for work sessions, while 99 different games ensure it's fun for all ages. You can personalize it with accessories and assemble it easily, making it a great project for both kids and adults. 5. AI-powered golf cart. Love golf? This golf cart uses advanced AI to follow you around the course without any manual control. With gesture commands and obstacle avoidance, it makes navigating the course a breeze, even on tough terrain. Plus, it boasts a long-lasting battery that can even charge your devices while you're out on the green. Let this smart cart elevate your game. 6. Guitar Chord Assistant. Struggling with playing chords on your guitar? This gadget has got your back. It allows you to press just 1 or 2 buttons to create chords, eliminating finger pain. With support for 11 common chords, you can play thousands of songs easily. Just press the button, strum, and enjoy. 7. Offline Crypto Wallet. Keep your digital assets safe from online threats with this offline crypto wallet. It stores your private keys securely offline and comes with a battery-free NFC recovery tag, so even if you lose it, your assets remain protected. IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. This wallet also charges wirelessly and offers additional security through trusted contacts. 8. All-Terrain Electric Ski. Imagine gliding across any terrain at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour with this all-terrain electric ski. Weighing just 12.5 kilograms, it offers the power of 4-wheel drive and a removable battery so you can stay on the go. With its IP64 rating, it's dust and water resistant, perfect for the adventurous spirit. 9. Automatic Cat Groomer. Cat lovers, this one's for you. This automatic cat groomer collects all the loose fur your feline sheds, reducing the risk of hairballs. It mimics a mother cat's grooming with 6 rollers, keeping your pet clean and happy. Plus, the built-in treat dispenser makes grooming an enjoyable experience for your cat. 10th, pet sitting robot. Keep an eye on your pets anytime with this mobile robot that streams high-quality video. Chat with your pets through an app, play soothing messages if they're barking, or give them treats remotely. This gadget is perfect for ensuring your pets are safe and happy while you're away. 11th, wearable Bluetooth speaker. Bring your music anywhere with this wearable Bluetooth speaker. With 15 hours of playtime and a magnetic clip, it's designed for on-the-go listening. It's water-resistant, so whether you're by the pool or caught in the rain, your music stays with you. Large, easy-to-use controls make this speaker incredibly convenient for hands-free calls and music control. 12th, smart ring for device. Control your devices with simple hand gestures using this smart ring. It learns your movements and adapts over time, making interaction with your phone or computer more intuitive. Whether you're scrolling, clicking, or navigating apps, this wearable tech makes the process smoother and more futuristic. 13. AI puzzle-solving smart cube. This isn't your average Rubik's Cube. With built-in AI, this smart cube helps you learn to solve puzzles and even solves itself. Featuring a timer for tracking progress and multiple modes like half-blind and blindfolded, this gadget is fun and educational for puzzle lovers of all ages. 14. Bamboo accordion. Lamp. This sleek bamboo accordion lamp provides both light and fun. It's portable, rechargeable, and touch-controlled for brightness adjustments. Its stylish accordion shape and natural wood finish make it a great design piece for any room, whether you're using it as a reading light or ambient lighting. 15. Alarm clock on the run. Struggling to get out of bed? This alarm clock literally jumps, rolls, and runs away from you, ensuring you have to get up to turn it off. Perfect for heavy sleepers, this clock is the ultimate motivator to start your day on time. It's easy to set up and guarantees that you'll be on your feet in no time. That wraps up our list of 20 jaw-dropping gadgets you can find on Amazon. From tech that makes your life easier to gadgets that add a touch of fun, these items are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know which gadget you're adding to your wish list. Happy shopping!